The chairman of Toyota, Kiyo Toyota, has apologized for massive cheating on certification tests, expressing that words cannot express his gratitude. Toyota's CEO has just unveiled a revolutionary new engine technology that promises to disrupt the dominance of electric vehicles and change the future of sustainable transportation. We're doing this because it's like something else that was done, or it's like what other people are doing, he said. There's probably nothing more debated or talked about in our industry right now than electric vehicles. Could this be the innovation that puts an end to Tesla's reign as the leader in the EV space? He appears to be genuinely committed. Everything indicates this development could truly revolutionize the industry, making it physically possible to bring about significant change. If they've figured out something this transformative, it's kind of game over. Join us as we explore how Toyota's bold move may forever alter the automotive landscape. Toyota has gained great votes of confidence and validation from experts, as some conspiracy theories about them have turned out to be true. The automotive industry is undergoing a seismic shift, with electric vehicles, EVs, gaining momentum and disrupting traditional gas-powered vehicles. At the forefront of this revolution has been Tesla, whose electric cars have set new standards for performance, range, and technology. Tesla has emerged as a dominant force in the EV market, but that might all be about to change. Toyota, one of the largest and most respected automakers in the world, has just made a groundbreaking announcement that could shift the balance of power in the EV race. Their CEO has declared the development of a revolutionary new engine that they claim will make Tesla's cars obsolete and could end their reign as the leader in the electric vehicle market. This new technology is said to be a game changer, poised to disrupt Tesla's dominance. The competition between Tesla and traditional automakers has been fierce, but Toyota's announcement signals a new chapter in this rivalry. The Japanese automaker is introducing a radical new engine technology that could make Tesla's cars look outdated and irrelevant. So what exactly is this new engine technology? How does it work? And why does Toyota believe it will end Tesla's dominance forever? Let's break it down. The rise of Tesla and electric vehicles is important to understand before diving into Toyota's groundbreaking announcement. Founded by Elon Musk, Tesla has become synonymous with electric vehicles and renewable energy. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, and they have made significant strides in doing so with their lineup of electric cars, from the Model S, Model X, and Model 3 to the Model Y. Tesla's cars have been praised for their cutting-edge technology, impressive range, and exceptional performance. Tesla's supercharger network has also addressed one of the biggest concerns for EV adoption, range anxiety, by providing fast charging stations across the globe, making long-distance travel more feasible for electric vehicle owners. Perhaps what has truly set Tesla apart is its approach to software. Tesla's cars are equipped with advanced autopilot features, over-the-air software updates, and an extensive in-car entertainment system, making Tesla vehicles feel more like smartphones on wheels with features that evolve over time. Tesla's innovation has captivated consumers, helping the company to maintain its position as the leader in the electric vehicle market. While Tesla has enjoyed significant success, it hasn't been without challenges. Manufacturing issues, quality control problems, and the high cost of electric vehicle batteries have remained persistent hurdles for Tesla to overcome. These challenges have left the door open for other automakers to catch up, and that's exactly what Toyota is looking to do with its new engine technology. Toyota's legacy and approach to innovation are well established. As one of the world's most successful and respected automakers, Toyota has a long history of pioneering technologies that have shaped the automotive industry, from the introduction of the first mass-produced hybrid vehicle, the Prius, to their leadership in fuel cell technology. Toyota has consistently been at the forefront of automotive innovation. However, Toyota has taken a somewhat cautious approach to fully electric vehicles, focusing on hybrids and hydrogen fuel cell technology, while other automakers rush to produce battery electric vehicles, BEVs. This strategy has drawn some criticism, with many questioning why Toyota, one of the world's leading automakers, was lagging behind in the electric vehicle race. But now, it seems that Toyota has been working behind the scenes on a groundbreaking new engine that could redefine the future of the automotive industry. Toyota's new engine is not just another electric motor or internal combustion engine. It represents a radical departure from conventional automotive technology. The company is introducing what they are calling a solid-state battery engine. This new engine technology has the potential to address some of the most significant challenges facing electric vehicles today, including range limitations, charging times, and battery degradation. Lithium-ion batteries, which use a liquid electrolyte to transfer ions between the battery's electrodes, differ from solid-state batteries, which use a solid electrolyte. This seemingly small change has massive implications for performance, safety, and longevity. One of the biggest advantages of solid-state batteries is their energy density. These batteries can store significantly more energy in a smaller, lighter package compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. This means that vehicles equipped with solid-state batteries could have much longer ranges, potentially doubling or even tripling the range of current electric vehicles. This would effectively eliminate range anxiety, one of the biggest barriers to widespread EV adoption. In addition to increased energy density, solid-state batteries are much safer than their lithium-ion counterparts. One of the main concerns with lithium-ion batteries is the risk of overheating and catching fire. Solid-state batteries are far less prone to these thermal issues, making them a much safer option for electric vehicles. Another key advantage of solid-state batteries is their charging speed. While it can take hours to fully charge a traditional electric vehicle battery, solid-state batteries can be charged in a fraction of the time. This breakthrough in charging technology could make electric vehicles even more convenient than traditional gas-powered cars, further accelerating the shift towards electrification. But perhaps the most significant advantage of solid-state batteries is their longevity. Over time, traditional lithium-ion batteries degrade, losing their ability to hold a charge. This is one of the biggest drawbacks of electric vehicles today, as battery replacement can be costly.